The morning finds us here. Can you hear the light? Steps taken on a path of white, tracing stars across the early night. I didn't know the world could glow this way, until you turned and washed the clouds away. A quiet breath, a gentle start, the rhythm waking in my heart. Now the sky begins to open wide, with nowhere left for us to hide. It's a wonderland, a brand new space found in the silence of your grace. And every step is a melody, the start of something wild and free. The horizon is calling, a beautiful home. Whatever is coming, we're ready to run. Just you and I. The sun is rising in your eyes. A symphony begins. We've been walking for so long, reflected in the light. Memories ripple like the water floor. We aren't the people that we were before. Hand in hand across the endless sea. You are the mirror holding on to me. The weight of time, the gravity of us, turning all our doubt into trust. And it's all in the way you look at me, echoes of a timeless harmony. We are the space between the dark and bright, two souls anchored in the fading light. Yeah, you're the echo and I'm the sound. Together we're the magic that we found. Hold on, don't let the image break. Everything we've given, everything we take, it's sacred, it's holy, it's all we need. Just you and I, reflecting forever. Finally, we have arrived.
We were never made of perfect moments.
We were made of all the ways we stayed.
There was a room above the city where we barely made the rent. We had two chairs beside the window and a future we had not met yet.
You would fall asleep while reading.
I would turn the hallway light down low.
Back when all that we could offer
was a love we did not know how to hold.
There were Sundays in the kitchen, singing songs we didn't know. Birthday candles, broken records, little places only we would go.
There were words we should have spoken.
There were nights we turned away.
Still your picture in my wallet
never faded with the days.
We were young enough to promise, we were scared enough to run, but every road away from us led back to where we had begun.
Love is all the ways we stay.
When the colors started changing, when the easy words grew harder,
when our hearts were tired of waiting. Love is all the ways we stay.
through the silence
And the shaking,
not because we never broke,
but because we kept remaking.
every dream we almost lost, every line we nearly crossed, every time we chose each other
When walking out would have been safer.
love was never just the words we said.
Love is all the ways we stay.
I remember that December when the snow covered your car. We were sitting without speaking,
Feeling close and still so far.
I was waiting for an answer.
You were searching for a sign.
We had built a wall between us,
One small sorrow at a time.
I remember how your hands shook when you finally told the truth.
You said, I'm scared that we are losing
Who we were when lovers knew. I could hear my own heart breaking, but beneath the breaking sound was the voice that first had called me
to the only home I found.
So we laid down all our armor,
All the pride we used to hide.
you showed me every wounded place,
And I let you see inside. Love is all the ways we stay. When the colors started changing,
when the easy words grew harder,
when our hearts were tired of waiting. Love is all the ways we stay.
through the silence
And the shaking,
not because we never broke,
but because we kept remaking.
every dream we
Almost lost, every line we nearly crossed, every time we chose each other when walking out would have been safer.
love was never just the words we said.
Love
Here's all the ways we stay.
for the old photographs, for the nights we left,
For the first apartment key, for the morning drive,
for the longer
for the
life.
person you still see in me.
I forgive the days you couldn't reach me.
I forgive the nights you disappeared.
I forgive the love that felt imperfect.
I forgive the man I was through all those years, and I would choose the tears again.
I would choose the waiting,
I would choose the long way home,
and every heart we were becoming.
because somewhere underneath the pain,
Two souls were learning how to change.
we did not stay because it was easy.
We stayed because our love was brave. Love is all the ways we stay.
When the whole world started changing,
When the dreams we built together needed saving.
Every dream we thought was gone,
Every night before the dawn,
every time you reached to find me,
and discovered I was reaching.
love was never just the words we said. It was every tear we faced.
It was every choice we made.
Love is all.
Love is all.
Love is all.
Love is all the ways we stay.
Now the room above the city
Is a memory far away,
but I still see us by the window,
learning all the ways to stay. That we dare to climb has led us to this peak of perfect time. The air is electric, the fire is gold, a story that the universe has told. And the walls start to fall, let the spirit arise. The glory is burning behind your eyes. This is the symphony, this is the song of everywhere we finally belong. Crown of glory, a love unbound, the loudest silence, the highest ground. We are the thunder, we are the light, forever reaching, forever bright. No more shadows, no more fear. The future is rising, the vision is clear. Symphony, symphony, symphony. It's ours to This is the symphony, this is the song of everywhere we finally belong. A crown of glory, a love unbound, the loudest silence.
And with that radiant display of ultimate royal beauty, we conclude today's presentation of the Crown of Wonderland Symphony.
If you were mesmerized for the majestic elegance of today's journey, please subscribe to Celestial Runway AI. Like, share, and leave your vibrant thoughts in the comments.
I wish you all a future filled with radiant confidence and joy.
Stay majestic, stay bold, and goodbye.